What's the meaning of antibody? Antibody. 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 Antibody.
Antibodies are proteins produced by the immune system in response to foreign substances, such as bacteria and viruses. They help to identify and neutralize these invaders by attaching themselves to specific parts of their structure. Antibodies also activate other parts of the immune system, which work together to eliminate the foreign substance. This process is known as the immune response. Antibodies play a crucial role in protecting the body against infectious diseases and are also used in diagnostic tests and treatments for certain medical conditions.